Alright children, now we are going to add suffix full or less at the end of these base words. So full will make it positive and less will make it negative one. So let's practice this one. Truthful, tasteless, harmless, painful, hopeful, thankful. So these are the base words और हमने इसमें suffix add करना है. Alright children, once again let me remind you very important thing कि जब आप इसके साथ suffix add करेंगे, you see there is no space between truth and full. This is one word, right? ये एक word है. आपने इसको write करते हुए mostly students make this common mistake कि इसमें space write कर देते हैं. So there should be no space between truth and full. So this is one word. Truthful, tasteless, harmless, right? अब ये harm जो base word है, it can take both of the suffix full or less. harm के साथ full भी use हो सकता है और harm के साथ less suffix भी use हो सकता है. But इसमें difference क्या है? harmful means कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिसके अंदर हार्म है आपको, जिससे नुकसान पहुंच सकता है. एंड हार्मलेस समथिंग विच इज़ फ्री ऑफ हार्म, जिससे आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंच सकता. सो हार्मफुल एंड हार्मलेस. हार्मलेस जो है ये एक नेगेटिव है और फुल जो है इसको पॉजिटिव बनाता है. कि हार्मफुल ऐसी चीज़ जिसमें नुकसान है और हार्मलेस जिसमें कोई नुकसान नहीं है. सिमिलरली पेनफुल जिसमें तकलीफ़ है एंड पेनलेस जिसमें विदाउट एनी पेन, जिसमें कोई पेन नहीं है. होपफुल, होप इज़ द बेस वर्ड जो फुल और लेस दोनों सफिक्स ले सकता है. होपफुल मीन्स व्हेन यू आर होपफुल, जब आपको उम्मीद होती है, जब आप बहुत पॉजिटिव होते हैं. एंड होपलेस व्हेन यू आर डिसअपॉइंटेड, राइट, व्हेन यू आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. सो दैट इज़ होपलेस, व्हेन यू हैव नो होप, विदाउट होप. Thankful. Alright, so that's how you will practice adding suffix to the base words. Alright, now let's take a look at the phrases. Alright, at textbook page number 9 we did phrases. So what is a phrase? Phrase is basically a group of words but not a complete sentence. A phrase does not have a verb in it. Alright children, phrase is a group of words which does not give us a complete sense. वो हमें complete meaning नहीं देता, right? For example, the woman placed on the flowers on the table. So what is the phrase here? On the table. On the table is the phrase, right? So now we are going to underline the phrases in the following. They spoke to us for a minute. So what is the phrase here? For a minute. He will be back in a minute. She goes for a run now and then. At the circus, we saw an elephant. So, phrase is a group of words and it does not have a verb in it. इसमें कोई verb नहीं होता और एक group of words होता है जो complete sense नहीं देता, हमें complete information नहीं देता. Alright, it does not have a subject or verb or any object. सिर्फ ये एक words का group होता है, right? And we practiced phrases in the textbook as well. Alright, now let's take out that one page. Alright children, we practiced that here. हमने यहाँ पे हमारे पास A to J different sentences और phrases हैं. हमने इसमें से mark out करना था that which one is the sentence and which one is a phrase. Alright, over the fence, this one is a phrase. He kicked it. This is a sentence because he is the subject, kicked is the verb. And as we learnt that a phrase does not have a verb. She likes mangoes. No, this is not a phrase. In a dish. That's correct. That's a phrase. Now and then, it's a phrase. I am on the road. It's not a phrase because it has subject and am is the helping verb. 3 or 4, that's the phrase. They do not want any. Want is the verb, right? Do not, don't want any. Are you coming? No, that's not the phrase. Good and bad. You see? That's a phrase. So that's how we learned phrases, and we learned about phrases in our textbook and workbook. Now let's practice that in the worksheet. Alright, underline phrases in the following. The woman placed the flowers on the table. At the circus, we saw an elephant. He will be back in a minute. There's a chair in the hall. They spoke to us for a minute. So you have to highlight phrases. And what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that does not give us complete sense or meaning, right? And a phrase does not have a verb. Alright, so you will highlight or underline the phrases in the following sentences. Alright, children, now it's time to look at today's diary. Today's diary is that you have to practice and learn the worksheet that we just did. आपने ये वर्कशीट लर्न करनी है और इसको प्रैक्टिस करना है. मेक श्योर कि आप स्पेलिंग्स जो हैं वो करेक्टली लर्न करें और प्रैक्टिस करें. ऑलराइट, आप ये अपनी वर्कशीट जो है आप रफ रजिस्टर्स पे भी कर सकते हैं प्रैक्टिस और नोटबुक्स पे भी कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आई विल सी यू टुमारो.